Welcome everyone to another video which is related to the force vectors, the second chapter of engineering mechanics, the statics part by R.C. Hibbeler book. This is problem number 23, where we are being asked to determine the towing forces Fb and Fc. The resultant is given, which is 10 kilonewton, and its direction is also given, which is along positive x-axis. The direction of these two forces is also being given. Fc makes an angle of 20 degree with a positive x-axis. The Fb force makes an angle of 15 degree with the positive x-axis. So let's solve this problem. So in order to solve this problem, we need to construct a triangle with the help of the two forces and its resultant. Since the one force is Fc, which is along 20-degree angle with a positive y-axis, Fp is along 15 degree with a positive x-axis. The resultant force is along positive x-axis. This magnitude is given, which is 10 kilonewton. So let's start drawing a triangle. Let's take the first force, which is Fc force. Let's take the second force and place the tail of the second force with the head of the first force, like this way. And you know that the closing side will be the resultant. So this is how the triangle would look like. Now we should know the interior angles. This angle would be 20 degrees because you know that Fc is making an angle of 20 degree with the Fr. How about this interior angle that we can determine? You know that if you consider there is an imaginary line here, considering the same here, you can see that. So this angle is theta actually. So if you consider two parallel lines and the one parallel lines cutting through it, so opposite angles would be same. So this angle will also be theta, which is 15 degrees. Now things are easy for us. We'll just use law of sine. So sine of 20 degrees would be divided by the opposite side, which is Fb, and sine of 15 degrees would be divided by the opposite side, which is Fc. Now sine of the remaining this angle, since you know that in triangle we have the summation of interior angles equal to 180 degrees. So this is 20, this is 15, that will make 35 degrees. The remaining would be 145. Correct me if I'm wrong. So sine 140 degrees here. That is to be divided by the opposite side, which is Fr resultant given, that is 10. And now after this, the things are quite easy to solve. If we want Fb, then we'll just equate this with sine 145 over 10. So from here we will have Fb as 5.96 kilonewton. The sine of 15 degrees over Fc would be equal to sine of 145 degrees over 10. And from here we can have the value of Fc as 4.51 kilonewton. That's what it was asked to us. So we have determined both Fb and Fc. So that's how the calculations would be done when we are being given with the resultant of the two forces, and it's also the direction is given. The two forces with their magnitude was being asked, but their direction was given. So we just proceed with constructing a triangle first, determining its interior angles, and ultimately using sine law to determine the required forces. That's all from this video. I believe you have the understanding of how I did the calculations. If not, then please let me know through the comment section. I'll try my level best to get back to you. Thank you.